The end is near for the 69-year-old Russian President Vladimir Putin, a classified US report has said. According to the report, Putin underwent cancer treatment in April, and the situation for him is getting worse. It has been long rumored that Putin has been battling health problems such as cancer and Parkinson's. The three spy chiefs, who are from the Director of National Intelligence, the US Air Force, and the Defense Intelligence Agency, claim that the latest intelligence report on Putin's health show there are concerns about Putin's paranoia to hold on to power. The intelligence official said Putin's deteriorating health will make the prospects of nuclear war less likely, but his death will still cause chaos. A senior intelligence officer told Newsweek Putin's grip is strong, but no longer absolute. The jockeying inside the Kremlin has never been more intense during his rule, everyone sensing that the end is near. While a senior Air Force leader added, "Is Putin sick? Absolutely. But we shouldn't let waiting for his death drive proactive actions on our part. A power vacuum after Putin could be very dangerous for the world." The Kremlin has not commented on the alleged cancer surgery, but insists Putin is in good health. Last weekend, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov dismissed rumors of Putin's ill health in an interview on French TV. Some reports claim Putin also has Parkinson's or early-stage dementia. He has been looking increasingly more frail and bloated in the face in recent weeks. Images of him sat with a blanket over his knees during the Victory Day parade earlier this month were far from the invincible hardman persona he likes to portray. Meanwhile, Putin's failure to attend key engagements and his disappearance during a state TV broadcast has further added fuel to the fire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.